So I'm just mixing my coffee for my coffee challenge. I'm not using boiling water, I've just used a little bit of warm water out of the kettle. I've allowed that to cool before I put that in there. Then I'm going to sketch out my image. I've decided to choose an image from a book of the terracotta warriors. Just going to get the basic outline in pencil first before I start painting it with the coffee. I'm just adding the coffee now. I'm going to add it to the darkest areas on the warrior. I haven't mixed different shades, what I mean is different concentrations of coffee, but you could do that if you wanted to. I'm using my fingers as well to smudge it in places so I get a lighter shade, and I could always go over the top of areas to make darker marks. And also a lot of my coffee is right at the bottom, so if I want it more concentrated I can dip my brush in and sort of swish it around the bottom. And I've got water as well to add to it, so that will dilute it a bit just on my brush, and I can always test bits on a piece of scrap paper to see what sort of colour it's going to come out as. I'm really happy with this colour because it seems to go well with the terracotta warriors colour. I stopped filming and allowed this to dry for a while. You could use a hairdryer, but again be careful because the hairdryer could cause your coffee to spread across your image and ruin your image. So after it had dried, I've started to add fine liner pen. I'm going to outline all the details on it, and I might do a little bit of cross hatching in places to get some really dark areas, like these little gaps in the arms. Unfortunately, I've added one too many rows of those little plates on the front of the armour, but I'm just going to have to make that part of it now at this stage, because I can't really erase it now.